Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Opines. So guys, to make our English language diversify, it's necessary to include some of the diversification pattern in our daily life communication. Now, what are those diversification pattern? What you can do, this is what I used to tell a lot of time, that replace your old saying and adopt new saying. Include some idiom and phrases, daily life idiom and phrases in your daily life communication. At the same time, to use phrasal verbs, okay, to use phrasal verbs in our daily life communication, because phrasal verbs actually makes your language quite effective and natural. So today I have come up with 10 phrasal verbs with the word hold, right? And it will tell you the meaning and along with an example. And I hope that you would find this video helpful, and definitely if you're going to adopt these phrasal verbs in your daily life communication, it is going to make your language precise, concise, and yet effective. So if you're interested in knowing those phrasal verbs, then keep on watching. And this video is going to be super short video, so it is not going to take much time. So watch it till the end, and that's it. Let's get started now. So your first phrasal verb is hold out on. Hold out on means when you refuse to give help to someone. So for that situation, you can use this phrasal verb hold out on. For example, hold out on me, I need your help. Next phrasal verb is hold on to. It means keep something that is important. It means when you want to keep something that is very important. For example, hold on to the ticket, we need it later. Your next phrasal verb is hold off. Hold off means when you don't want something to happen immediately. You want to delay some action, okay? For that situation, you can use this phrasal verb hold off. For example, let's hold off making a decision until next week. So let's wait for some time. We are going to make the decision next week. So you are saying let's hold off, means stay for some time. Next phrasal verb is hold up. Hold up means to delay, when you intentionally delay something, okay? For example, why you are holding up everything. Your next phrasal verb is hold over. You can use this phrasal verb when you want to postpone something for the period of time, okay? When you want to postpone something. For example, let's hold over the discussion until the next meeting. So let's postpone this discussion until our next meeting. Next phrasal verb is hold down. Hold down means to keep something under your control, okay? When you keep some situation or some people under your control, that time you can use this phrasal verb hold down. For example, how could you hold down the whole situation? So your next phrasal verb is hold with. Hold with means to support something or to get approve of something. Means when you approve something or when you support something. For example, many of them didn't hold with our theory. So many of them didn't approve our theory or didn't support our theory. Your next phrasal verb is hold back. Hold back means to refrain or when you don't want to do something, okay? For example, the president couldn't hold back his anger any longer. Means he couldn't stop, he couldn't refrain his anger any longer. Next phrasal verb is hold out. Hold out means when you defend yourself from something, okay? When you continue to resist something. So that time you can use this phrasal verb hold out. For example, I could hold out against the new system. And your last phrasal verb is hold on. Hold on means to say someone wait and stop. So hold on guys, don't stop watching my video, continue watching my video and keep showering your love over me. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you must have liked these phrasal verbs. You can simply note down these phrasal verbs, and if you're interested in making any of the sentences of these phrasal verbs, then you're mostly welcome to. You can comment below and frame some amazing sentences, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.